I'm Mark Patterson, family medicine resident at the Monroe Clinic. All my life, I wanted to become a doctor. Growing up, my mom was a nurse. Watching her provide care for her patients, she was an ICU nurse, worked nights, so that just showed how dedicated she was, and that sort of put in me that I wanted to become a doctor. And then also I had a health scare in my early 20s that sort of just reiterated what I wanted to go into medicine for. And the doctors who provided care for me at that time, I would say they saved my life. And if I wasn't here, or if they didn't provide the care, I wouldn't be here today. As a resident, we're given longer time slots as compared to more established provider. Normally we'll have 30 minutes to an hour, where established providers may only have 20 minutes, 15 minutes. All of our patients, we do precept with our attendings, so they shouldn't feel scared, oh, this is a novice doctor, but know that they're getting the same care. We will talk about the case, and if anything needs to be changed, our attending will let us know. Well, having all the knowledge is very important, but being able to put that knowledge to use is probably more important than that, because you can always look something up in a book or online, but if you're not willing to put in that extra mile, it's not going to be helpful. So I think a doc that's willing to work hard and also is very caring about their patients is something. I started off actually as a CNA back in high school, and then I worked my way up. I was an ICU nurse prior to going to medical school, and then I went into medicine. So I think that's I think I have a different perspective than some doctors, and I think that's, I'll never put a nurse down. I'll always appreciate what they do, and I sort of can relate to what the nurses and the CNAs are going through. I always wanted to be like a broadcaster. I always thought that would be fun. Or I also enjoy cooking, so I thought about becoming maybe a chef. That's something I was thinking. I'm a avid sports fan, really all Wisconsin sports, Packers, Bucks, Brewers. So watching sports. I also like to go golfing. When I do go golfing, I normally go with my father, so that's a sort of time when we can bond. And then I have a 6-month-old son, and spending time with him and also my wife is very important to me.